How to monitor battery usage with the AccuBattery application. This is, you can see the app is here present on the desktop. You can download this app to your Android device and then check phone's battery health via third-party application. This is the app. Firstly, you just need to install this application. If you already have it, simply update it. Now, as you have already downloaded it, once you open the application, you will find the four tabs, including charging, discharging, health, and history. Go to the health tab down at the bottom, and then it will show you your battery strength. By comparing the estimated battery capacity, it will show you the strength here. Under this section, you will be able to see your battery health in percentage. Other information like battery capacity and battery wear can also be found under the battery health section. When you use the application for first time, it might not display any of the information as Android does not provide historical battery information to the third-party application. The information is protected and just for your phone's design. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please subscribe to the channel for watching such amazing updates like that.